You ready?
Yep, ready.
This is my hair dryer.
Let's see. Can I see the front? Aw, cute little panda. Okay. All right, you're gonna open it up. Just keep pulling.
I can't.
Onyx, I did it just 2 seconds ago. Do you want me to do it?
Yeah. It's hard to unzip.
Hold this. You gotta get your finger underneath it because there's fabric getting stuck in the way. That's why.
Ow. Okay. See? My hair
How
dryer.
cute is that?
I need to take it out. Whoa. I used it a couple times.
Your makeup looks very pretty.
Need to plug it in.
No, I don't want to be in the mirror. Awesome. Good job. Ooh, they're good. How cute is that? Oh, little attachment.
Alright, yeah, turn this off.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Just push it on. There you go.
And then I can.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Whoa, nice. All the different settings, huh?
Is this high?
Yeah, I think that's the highest. Yeah. Off and then low. Yep.
Wait, is this high?
No,
Wait,
that's
press it.
low. Wait, try it. Yeah, that's low.
Okay.
There we go. Cute.
And then I can do it.
Careful, make sure it's not too hot, honey. Oh, and another one, huh?
Yeah.
I can't remember what all the different attachments do. I think one kind of helps straighten your hair a little more.
Yeah.
While the other one gives it a little more texture if you've got some natural curl like you do. There you go. Or, you know, the hell with it and just play around.
And that's it.
Awesome.
Bye.
Bye.